All right, guys, so Harbor Freight's parking lot sale has started. ITC members can take advantage of these deals starting now through Thursday, October 10th, and then everyone else saves Friday 11th through Sunday the 13th. So let's go ahead and jump into some of these deals. Now, here's a pretty good deal if you guys are looking for a mobile workbench. This is the Yukon 46-inch mobile workbench. This is the one drawer. Comes in 3 different colors. You got your blue, red, and black there. And this does have a 1,200 pound weight capacity. Only one drawer at the top, and then it's got 2 doors at the bottom. So as I open up these doors, I didn't know this until I looked inside, but they got little compartments on each side of the door, like trays, if you want to put some nuts and bolts. And they got a bunch of different shelving units in there too. So you can adjust the shelves, you can adjust those little cubbies. Pretty nice setup. These doors are all lockable. Got your drawer up top. So pretty nice setup for $269.99. So if you guys are looking for some US General toolboxes or tool carts, they had a few deals going on for those. Here's the 42-inch roller cabinet, and this was coming in at $499.99. So not too bad of a deal on that. $100 off, and it comes in multiple different colors. You get black, blue, green, red, yellow, white, and black. These are pretty nice cabinets. US General makes some really good toolboxes and tool carts. So if you guys are in the market, definitely take a look at this at your Harbor Freight during the parking lot sale. They also had a 34-inch service cart for the same price, coming in at $499.99. Pretty nice service cart. Bunch of different colors also with this one. This one comes with 6 drawers and it has a 1,200 pound capacity. Now if you're looking for something a little bit smaller, or you just don't want to pay the $500, they also had this US General tool cart. So this one is the 30-inch 4-drawer tech cart. And this one came in at a little bit lower price of $179.99. So good deal on that. Some of these prices we've seen before during previous parking lot sales. So if you might have missed those deals, definitely take advantage of this parking lot sale. They also had some US General accessories. So it's for $24.99. They had the 5-outlet magnetic power strip. So this is usually, I think, like $33. And it has it in different colors. So if you already got one of the tool carts by US General, you can get a matching power strip. It does have the USB-A ports, 2 of them. So you can plug in your phone, charge some electronic devices along with the AC outlets. It's got the super magnets on the back, which is kind of nice. So it makes it easy to mount this to your toolbox or tool cart. They also had the glove or tissue dispenser, and this came in at $10, and it also has the magnets on the back, so you can easily just mount it to your toolbox. These also came in multiple different colors, so you can match them all up. And since we're talking about gloves, you know Harbor Freight's always got really good deals on their disposable gloves. So here's the 7mm coming in at $698. So pretty good deal on those. I prefer the 7mm. They got 5mm and they also got 9mm. I feel like the 7mm is just a good all-around glove. But if you're looking for something thicker, more heavy duty, they did have the 9mm coming in at $798. Usually during every parking lot sale, I'll pick up at least one box of the disposable gloves. They always seem to come in a little bit cheaper than your Home Depot or Lowe's. They also had the shop towels on sale again. So here is the Grant shop towels. They got a 50-pack, come in red and white. I've tried both. Prefer the white over the red. And those are coming in at $7.94. So not a bad pickup for you mechanics. You guys need some shop towels. So if you guys are looking for a nice portable compressor, they had the Fortress 175. So this is a 6-gallon compressor, up to 40% more runtime. They claim that this is 15% lighter. This is oil-free with an 81 dB rating, coming in at $139.99. They also had the Central Pneumatic Spray Gun on sale, under $9 this time, $8.98. This is going to be a decent budget pickup for automotive projects or other hobbies. This obviously isn't going to be as good as their Black Widow spray gun, but if you're looking for a budget spray gun, this is going to be perfect, coming in at under $9. And when you go to the Harbor Freight parking lot site, make sure you check out their clearance and closeout. I found these Braun flashlights. These are like the zoomable 590 lumen flashlights. coming in at a really good price. These were only $2.99, so definitely a nice pickup if you can find these at your Harbor Freight. These flashlights would be nice for emergency situations, in case your power went out, or even like camping. If you guys been looking to pick up a nice shop chair, here is the Icon rolling shop chair coming in at $69.99, so 70 bucks, 4 different colors. These are pretty nice shop chairs, built really well. I think it has like a 300-pound capacity on these. Yeah, 300-pound capacity. It's got the chemical resistant PVC seat cover. So pretty nice adjustable height. You got the tool tray on the bottom. So with winter right around the corner, you might be looking to get a jump pack just in case your battery goes dead. They had a couple different versions of the Viking. So 1700 peak amps for the jump starter here. And this one's going to come in at $169. And this should cover you for any gas V8s or V6 diesels. You also had another Viking jump starter. I like this other one a little bit better, and it comes in at a lower price. Doesn't have as many amps. This is only 1,000 peak amps, but this also has a 150 psi compressor, so you get a flat tire. You'll be able to pump up your tire, maybe at least to make it to a gas station. And this is also going to be good for V6 diesels or V8s, coming in at $70. Now, with winter right around the corner also, you might want to maintain some batteries. They had the Viking Maintainer coming in at 25 bucks. These are always handy to have so you don't kill your battery over the winter. Guys, looking for a nice lightweight floor jack? They got the Pittsburgh 1.5 ton racing jack coming in at 75 bucks. These are really nice jacks, nice lightweight, easy to move around. Of course, it's got the rapid pump, so get your car up into the air pretty quick. And it's low profile, so if you got a car that sits pretty low, this should be able to slide right under it. It's got a 3.5-inch clearance, 13.7/8 lifting height. $74.99 for that one. So if you're going to be working underneath your car, doing an oil change, any type of maintenance, it's always nice to have a creeper. They also got the Pittsburgh Creepers on sale again, $19.99. I own one of these, and it works pretty well. I have no complaints for the price. Another product I like are these Apache cases. You got any guns, valuable electronics? These are definitely a nice option to store those in or carry them around. $19.98 for the Apache 2800. Comes in multiple different colors, but really nice way to secure your valuables. They also had some deals going on for the Badland winches. One of them that I liked was this 5,000-pound winch by Badlands. This would be a really good option for your four-wheeler or UTV. $50 off on this one, bringing the price down to $149.99. You guys need some shop lights. This is probably one of the lowest prices I've seen for the 5500 lumen shop light, $14.99. These usually come in around $17, $18 even for the parking lot sale. But this is a 4-foot shop light, and these are linkable. So that's what makes it pretty convenient when you want to mount a bunch of these. So these actually have an integrated AC plug right on the end of the light, so you can link up to 8 of them together. But a really good deal at $14.99. Here's another item I picked up at one of the previous parking lot sales, and I love it. It's the 17-foot Multitask Ladder by Franklin. These are coming in at $99. So this is probably the cheapest I've been able to find a multitask ladder. Really like all the different configurations. You can put this in. You get A-frame, extension ladder, 90 degree. You can use these on stairs, and then you can take it apart and use it as scaffolding. Really easy to store away. Good pickup. Tarps are another really good pickup at Harbor Freight, and right now they got the heavy-duty 9mm, 11-foot by 19-foot tarp coming in at $19. These are really heavy-duty. So you can use these season to season, not like the cheaper blue ones where they usually only last like one season. Definitely a good pickup if you're looking for a tarp. Now for you Bauer guys, they had one deal that was pretty good. They got $89.99 for the 12 amp battery. And this is only Monday that I did this video, and they were already sold out of all of the 12 amp hour batteries. If you look over here, the 8 amp hour battery is $100. So a really good deal on the 12 amp hour. They're also doing a pretty good deal on the Welding Cart. They had this in previous parking lot sales, $29.99 for the 100-pound weight capacity Welding Cart. This is a pretty nice welding cart by Chicago Electric. Good option for storing your welder or actually making your welder more mobile. They also had some pretty good deals going on for the Predator generators, but one that I really like is this 2,000-watt super quiet generator. This one was coming in at $4.99. So this is 2,000 watts, 1,600 watts continuous. So it's going to peak at the 2,000 watts. But these are really nice for portability if you take them camping. Also a good option during a power outage to power smaller appliances. Another really cheap item I like to have during power outages is this 200 lumen super bright flip light. Coming in at under $2. These are really handy to have. I think they take like AAA batteries, but just a flip of the switch, you get some light and otherwise a dark room, closet, or like I said, during a power outage. They also had the steel ammo cans coming in at under $10. So this is the 50 caliber ammo cans, military style. Got the locking latch on the side. These are pretty nice, heavy duty. Here's an item I picked up at the parking lot sale. Pretty good deal, $15, 4 foot long. This is a strip that has 12 AC outlets on it. So would be good for a shop, garage, something like that. This is by HFT. So this isn't the US General. With 12 outlets for a power strip. This will come in handy if you got a lot of chargers for battery operated tools, or if you're just looking for a lot of outlets in one area of your shop. Another good deal if you're looking for some hearing protection are these Ranger earmuffs. These are foldable, and these are coming in at under $6. Now I used to pick up these Western safety earmuffs, and these are $3.99. So for only a couple bucks more, you can upgrade to these Ranger, which are, in my opinion, are going to last you a lot longer, a lot better quality. They also got some other deals, but these are in-store only. So 35% off the pumps, the Drummond, Creekstone, or Predator pumps. They're also going to have 40% off all Chief Air tools and accessories, and 30% off of all the clamps. Like I said, those are going to be only in stores, so you got to go to the store to pick those ones up. All right, guys, so that's going to be it for my top picks for this parking lot sale. If you guys want to see everything that's on sale, go ahead, check out their website. They got everything listed on there now. Like I said earlier, this parking lot sale is going on now until Thursday for ITC members, and then everyone saves Friday through Sunday, October 13th. So hopefully you guys liked the video, found some value in it. If you did, smash that like button. Let me know in the comment section below what you guys might be picking up at this parking lot sale. I do videos like this all the time, so if you guys are interested in that, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Until the next one, guys, I will talk to you later.